Okay, so now we're in Sly's coop. Hey, buddy. And we're Blindy. We call her Blindy. She's not fully blind, but she likes to be hand-fed like Sly.
Go.
Little Blue.
Laid her egg again today.
Another egg. Yeah, they're pretty good layers, actually. Winter-wise, they're not useless, but not good layers, I mean.
Stimpy started about a month and a half ago.
Yeah.
Blue started today.
Yeah, so winter, we're not keeping them for eggs anyway, obviously. But beautiful little birds, though. I really want to find out what they are and try to get more eventually. Sly's done. He's going off to do his inspecting.
Are you getting some buffer, Tim?
Anyway.
Oh my God!
What?
There's a whole pile of guinea eggs in here.
Oh, is there guinea eggs? Hold on. Here you go, Speedy. Hold on. The guinea eggs, guys. Guinea eggs. The guineas are starting to lay too. I forgot to mention that. And ignore the mess again. We have to do our spring cleaning, but yeah, oh yeah, look at the guinea eggs.
Yeah.
In the dirtiest spot they could be in.
I cleaned this. I cleaned every coop a week and a half ago.
Yeah.
This is what happens in a week and a half.
So yeah. So please don't judge. We literally are cleaning. Well, Jamie's mainly cleaning. I don't really do much of the cleaning, but
Look at them. They're like little dinosaur eggs.
yeah, they're cool looking, eh? Yeah, guinea eggs. Look at them.
Yeah.
Cool.
Those are all June and Dawn.
They're starting to lay, and I was worried that there was both males because you can tell by their wattle things on their face and their noise, right? So we were pretty. Jamie was more confident than I was that one was a female, but now we know for sure. Anyway, back to feeding these guys. Come on, Blue, share with the big boys. There you go. Oh, big girl and big boy. Yeah, it's amazing how dirty these birds are. And it's winter, you know, it's just getting over winter. And that buff right there, the orangey one, right? Yeah, let's see. I can't do it in my hand. That one right there, she's hobbling off. She lost a couple of her toes in the winter due to frostbite, and we're not sure why, because another buff we have too that we're taking care of, and she's doing okay. But we just put her back out here because we were just letting her recover and stuff. So 2 buffs in the winter sat outside, and we're not sure why. And late molt. They did have a late molt because it was super warm here for this time of year, and then it got really cold. So we think that's what happened. Is they just for whatever reason. Well, not whatever reason, they lost their feathers, a lot of their feathers because of the molt, so they couldn't stay warm enough. So they lost a couple of their toes. Yeah, so anyway, she's doing good though. She's out here now. We nursed her back to health because otherwise she wouldn't have made it for sure because she lost. Let's see if I can get a better view of her. Hey, sweetie. So she's still a bit nervous with them. She's still a bit nervous out here. She's getting better though. She was hiding in here for days when we were doing that. But now she's out with them, so it's getting better. Getting better. See her? See? Little feet. I don't know if you can see. I'll try to zoom in. She's got little nubs. So anyway, she's fully capable. But that was scary because we like the buff. So any of the animals, we don't want to see that, them hurt. But that was a experience. And like I said, we have one more. If you guys recall, we have 4 of them, right, Jamie? Yeah, 4 buffs. And 2 of them got the frostbite. Only those 2. None of the other birds in here. And this one, big Puffy. I call her Puffy. Jamie called her Fluffy. I call her Puffy. Yeah, it's only the buffs that happened to them this year. It's really weird. Look how beautiful this one is. Alright, guys. There you go. Blue. Stop giving her crap. Blue's chasing away that big bird. This little thing is chasing away that bird. Ridiculous. Hey, Blue. Hi.
Bufferton, are you getting
Blue.
some?
Good girl. Good girl, Blue. So anyway, like I was saying, I would really like to find out what type of bird she is and Stimpy, because we would like more eventually. Let's go with Martin's coop. Where's Mama is? Or her Mama?
Peacock, 2 years old, $100 and go. $100 and $100 and $100 a quarter. Feel 100 quarters, 50, I'm gonna 50, I'm gonna 150, 75 to ya. 150, 175, I'm gonna you're on, 150, gonna be 175, 150, 160, now 70, now 80, 80, 90, now 2, 190, gotta be 2, 190, gotta be 2, 100, something going 190, your wages, so 190. 104, the buyer 104.
So apparently these are Canadian, only Canadian chickens. So the ones that are made in Canada, like not made in Canada, but what do you call it, Jamie? Breed? Canadian breed. And we also are thinking that John Claude and Arnie are this breed, or at least John Claude. Anyway, so they're Canadian breed.
Yeah, these are young ones.
There. Ceramos. Hi, bud. Yeah.
He's hissing at me, Jamie.
The guard goose is hissing at you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty, eh?
They would fit our coop, babe.
Yeah, they would. What is that? Look at the size of that bird. You're huge, buddy. Hey, Jamie, you think Chuck's as big as this one?
That's bigger.
Oh, really? It seems massive to me. They're pretty. That's a pretty one there. That's how small those ones are.
I know. Probably button.
Hello.
I could get
Hi, guys. Cool. Look at this one. Look at that thing. Isn't that cool?
That is cool. Look at the one down there.
Do you need to keep them in the heat? Oh, wow.
Oh, they can live
Oh,
outside.
look at the ducks. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Oh my god.
Any fowl? Oh, look at this guy. Oh, look at look. Look at that one too. Anyway, get out of this light for a sec. Look at this one. Look at the coloring. That's pretty cool. Look at them all. Is that right?
I've never seen these
Guys. Oh, look at those. Is it a Brahma?
Yep. No, he's not.
It's part Brahma.
Coaching. Probably coaching.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Anyway, what?
Modern game bantams.
Ah! It's like Snippy.
Yeah.
Very similar. Well, part.
I would go home with those.
Hey, buddy.
Look at the little rooster. Did you see him?
Oh, yeah. Pheasants. Jeez. Pheasant heads. Jamie, come here. Look at this one. Look at them. Look.
Crested black Polish bantams.
Yeah, look. That's funny, eh? Pretty cool. Look at those ones.
Yeah. I think that's a boy and that one's a girl.
Maybe.
They're cute.
Do you want to show me over here? What is it?
The pheasant.
Oh,
How little they are.
I can't see. Can you? Hi. Look how pretty they are. Lots of them here, though, eh?
The hand time, 150 and go. Gotta have a mate. 150, 100, 125, 125, 125. And I'm gonna be now 50 now, 75, 75. I'm gonna be 175. It could be 2. She's on at 75. Gotta be 2, 175 at the 2, 90 one time. not even 2, not even 2, 10, 8, 210, 20, 20, 22, you may have a movement 30, 30 to 22, 20, gotta go 30 sold, then going 220 sold, then going 220. What's your number, little lady?
Hi, you don't eat from my hands all the time, only when you're hungry. You tell the girls. Yes. Yeah, you're telling the girls they're not coming, buddy. Enjoy. You're telling them. Yeah, you are telling them. Yeah. Got lots of food for you, he says, and you're not taking part. Oh, wow, bud. You tried. Want some? There you go. Eat yourself. Enjoy. There you go, buddy. You enjoy yourself. They're not going to come. Guess what? Too bad for them. All right, time to give the pigs some water. It's getting warmer out here. It's like 15 degrees Celsius today.
Poppy sat in her water.
And Poppy knocked over her water bowl, so we're going to have to get her pool ready. Another thing I'm going to work on is getting a water line out here. But anyway, there's the girls. Yeah, here, Jamie. Heavy. That's another reason why we want a water spigot out here.
Hi, Grumpy.
That's good, Grumpy. The rooster. And they've been rooting.
Hi, sweetie.
That's Sweetie. See how he does a little sidewalk thing toward you? They're usually a challenging stance, but he never attacks us or anything, so. He does fight with him sometimes, though. They got their, holy, look at how dirty their water is already.
Did you guys go in your pool today?
They're already in their pool. Guys, don't come and goob me. No, 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 no. Ah, fooled you. Fooled you. No goobing, especially you. No goobing. You're gonna goob on me. I know what you're gonna do. Go drink your water. Their shorts on, so no. Put some in their little bin inside, and on their little stool or little walkway thing there. And put this up. Originally, this is a quick thing with spare wood we had, and I put legs, and these pigs knock down the legs, and then there'd be screws sticking out, right? So I'm like, okay, I can't keep that, but they keep going under it because food falls down, so they're always under there, and then they broke the legs off.
They're strong.
Yeah. So anyway, I put this up here, and this is not solid, right? This is part of the on the fence, so doesn't seem solid, but for the birds, it's perfect. So anyway, we put food up there, and I see him up there, and Grumpy there sometimes stands up there and looks out, so it's pretty funny. Hey, buddy. I don't like when you're sidewalking me like that. I just don't like it. Yeah, we call you Sweetie for... Oh, see? He's doing it to him, though. I think it's all for him. Because when they do that, they will attack you. So the roosters you don't know the rooster, and they're never coming up to you and doing a sidewalk like that. Doesn't mean they're going to attack you 100%, but it usually is posturing for them. So,
I learned.
Yeah, Jamie's gotten, like I said, attacked a few times. By Martin, though, originally, and only once by a normal-sized rooster.
Yeah, that was
but
pretty bad.
yeah, cut her head, like right, Jamie, where was it? Right, like right here, right?
Yeah,
cut her head right there. So I may have imagined if that got you in the eye, right? So just a word of advice, and that, not that people need that probably, but just be careful around roosters, even if they're friendly. Just be careful. And by the way, Poppy's a big suck. She just loves attention.
Yeah.
Clean her eyes out and everything. She loves it all. Anyway, oh, and also, by the way, I forgot to say, Poppy may be coming into heat. We're noticing some signs of that this month and last month. So we're pretty sure that she's probably almost ready to breed. So Howie should be ready by now. So that should be coming up soon too, by the way. I forgot to mention that. It's exciting. And we have to build a farrowing barn for her and everything else. But that'll...
we're losing her.
Oh, she's fading?
She loves her eyes rubbed and clean.
Yeah, look at her. Look, she's going down.
Yeah. She loves when Mommy cleans her eyes.
God, she's a cute pig. You like your eyes clean, Poppy?
Yeah.
Rubbed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of her favorite things.
Look at her, look at her. Look at her.
She loves it when I clean.
She's like literally falling asleep.
Yeah, she loved it.
Hey, buddy.
I don't think they can clean there themselves very well. So.
Anyway, so yeah, the pigs, because it's been wet out, and they're trying to dig up roots and stuff, or you might not be able to see this very well, but because the video, but look at the depth of that, pretty deep. So they've been digging holes a little bit because of mud, and what we'll do probably now that we can move this thing probably. It's not easy to move, but if it ends up being easy enough, we'll move that maybe over to here and then move the netting out so they get fresh. When this grows in, we'll get fresh grass for them and stuff they can chew on. Oh, you're coming to bug me now because you think I got something. I'm running. Let's go. I don't want to get slobbered on.
You're the worst.
No, I just don't want to get slobbered on.
Oh, you're so cute.
Don't touch the fence though, guys. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.